little demonstration for you here this morning. Have you ever taken a bottle of wine and poured it? Forgot who I was talking to. Of course you have. Let me try again here. How many times have you taken a bottle of wine and tried? No, I don't. You don't want to know that either. When you pour a bottle of wine, have you ever had the problem of it dripping like this? Well, I think we have something which will help you on that quite a bit. What you actually need is the official family wine pourer. Now this looks very simple, and it is quite simple. All you do is roll it up like this, place it in the bottle of wine, push it down like that, and then pour away. Nary a drip. What do you think?